Welcome back to Programmers Academy, the ultimate destination for aspiring coders and seasoned developers alike. Today, we're delving deep into the world of Python programming. Python is not just a programming language. It's a powerful tool that has taken the tech world by storm. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your coding journey or an experienced programmer exploring new horizons, Python has something exceptional to offer. One of Python's standout features is its simplicity. Its clean and readable syntax makes it easy for beginners to grasp, while experienced developers find it a joy to work with. Python's whitespace-based indentation ensures neat and organized code. Python's versatility is another reason it's a top pick in the programming world. From web development using frameworks like Django and Flask to scientific computing with NumPy and data analysis using Pandas, Python is a multifaceted language that suits a wide range of applications. The Python community is thriving, and that's a game-changer for anyone learning the language. You'll find a plethora of online tutorials, forums, and support groups. Plus, Python's official documentation is incredibly comprehensive, making problem-solving a breeze. Python's library ecosystem is simply mind-blowing. With libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization, and TensorFlow and PyTorch for machine learning, you can turn your wildest tech dreams into reality. Python's cross-platform compatibility ensures your code runs smoothly on various operating systems. Whether you're building desktop applications, web apps, or mobile apps, Python's got you covered. To sum it up, Python is the ideal language for anyone looking to build a career in tech or level up their programming skills. It's industry-proven, beginner-friendly, and offers endless opportunities for innovation. Thanks for tuning in to today's deep dive into Python programming. If you're excited to explore this amazing language further, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join our incredible community here at Programmers Academy. Stay curious, keep coding, and I'll see you in the next video.